Hey, ever feel like your business finances are playing hide and seek while you're just trying to get paid? You're juggling invoices, chasing clients, and trying to keep your personal and business money from doing the cha-cha slide in your bank account. Sound familiar? If you're a freelancer or self-employed individual navigating this financial tightrope walk, you're definitely not alone. The world of freelancing and self-employment is booming. More and more people are embracing the freedom and flexibility of being their own boss. But with that freedom comes a unique set of financial challenges. Gone are the days of regular paychecks and neatly categorized expenses handled by an employer. Now, you're the CEO, the accountant, and the marketing guru all rolled into one. One of the biggest hurdles for freelancers and the self-employed is managing their money effectively. Separating personal and business finances is crucial, not just for staying organized but also for tax purposes. You need to track income from various sources, manage business expenses, and set aside money for taxes, all while trying to maintain a semblance of personal financial stability. Traditional banking can sometimes feel clunky and ill-equipped for this dynamic way of working. This is where the question arises, could a modern, app-based bank like Monzo be the answer? Is Monzo actually designed with the unique needs of freelancers and the self-employed in mind? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to take a deep dive into Monzo and see if it truly stacks up as a viable banking solution for those of us who march to the beat of our own entrepreneurial drum. We'll explore its features, weigh its pros and cons, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right financial partner for your freelance or self-employed journey. First things first, let's talk about what Monzo actually is. For those unfamiliar, Monzo is a digital-only bank based in the UK. It operates primarily through a mobile app, offering a range of banking services from current accounts and savings pots to overdrafts and loans, depending on eligibility. What sets Monzo apart from traditional brick-and-mortar banks is its focus on user experience, transparency, and innovative features designed for the modern, on-the-go individual. So, how do these features translate to the specific needs of freelancers and the self-employed? Let's break it down. One of the most immediate benefits Monzo offers is the ease of setting up an account. Forget lengthy paperwork and in-person appointments. With Monzo, you can typically open an account in minutes directly from your smartphone. This speed and convenience can be a huge plus for busy freelancers who don't have time to waste on traditional banking bureaucracy. Once you have your account, Monzo's app provides a clear and intuitive interface for managing your money. This is where some of the features particularly shine for the self-employed. The power of pots. Monzo's pots feature is arguably one of its most valuable assets for freelancers. Think of pots as virtual piggy banks within your main account. You can create multiple pots for different purposes, such as setting aside money for taxes, saving for business expenses, or even allocating funds for specific projects. This visual and easily accessible way to segregate your money can be a game changer for freelancers who need to keep track of various income streams and obligations. Imagine automatically transferring a percentage of every client payment into a tax pot. It can significantly reduce the stress of tax season. Categorization and insights. Monzo automatically categorizes your spending, allowing you to see exactly where your money is going. This can be incredibly helpful for tracking business expenses. While Monzo's categorization might not be as granular as dedicated accounting software, it provides a solid overview of your spending habits. Furthermore, Monzo offers insights into your spending patterns, which can help you identify areas where you might be able to cut costs or better manage your cash flow. Easy payments and transfers. As a freelancer, you're likely dealing with various clients and potentially making payments for tools and services. Monzo makes sending and receiving money incredibly easy. You can make bank transfers, pay people with Monzo accounts instantly, and even create payment links for clients. This streamlined process can save you time and hassle when it comes to invoicing and getting paid. Integration potential. While Monzo doesn't directly integrate with all accounting software, its open banking API allows for connections with some third-party apps and services. This means you might be able to link your Monzo account to accounting software for a more seamless financial overview. However, it's crucial to check the specific integrations available in your region. Expense tracking. For freelancers who incur various business expenses, Monzo's features can be quite useful. You can easily see a chronological list of your transactions, and the ability to add notes and tags to payments can help you keep track of what each expense was for. While it's not a full-fledged expense management system, it offers a significant improvement over sifting through paper receipts. Travel benefits. If your freelance work involves travel, Monzo can be a handy companion. It often offers competitive exchange rates and doesn't charge hefty fees for spending abroad, within certain limits. This can save you money when dealing with international clients or attending conferences. However, it's important to have a balanced perspective. While Monzo offers numerous benefits for freelancers, it's not without its limitations. No dedicated business account. In some regions, depending on your location, Monzo might not offer a dedicated business account with all the features you might expect from a traditional business bank. While you can certainly use a personal Monzo account for your freelance finances, it's crucial to be aware of any potential limitations or terms of service that might apply. In some regions, Monzo does offer business accounts, which come with additional features tailored for businesses, such as multi-user access and accounting integrations. It's essential to check the availability and features of Monzo business accounts in your specific country. Limited direct accounting integrations. As mentioned earlier, while Monzo has an open API, direct integrations with popular accounting software might be limited compared to some traditional business banks or specialized fintech solutions. This might mean some manual work in transferring transaction data for accounting purposes. No physical branches. Being a digital-only bank, Monzo doesn't have any physical branches. While this contributes to its efficiency and lower fees, it might be a drawback for freelancers who prefer in-person banking services or need to deposit cash frequently, though cash deposits are possible through PayPoint in the UK, for example. Overdraft limits and eligibility. Like any bank, Monzo offers overdrafts subject to eligibility and limits. While this can be a safety net, freelancers with fluctuating income need to be mindful of potential fees and ensure responsible borrowing. Customer support. While Monzo generally offers responsive customer support through its app, some users might miss the option of in-person support for complex issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.